Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to deposit in your Zilingo account. It's very simple, just follow me step by step so that you won't miss anything. So first of all, you will need the Zilingo account, which I've opened mine. So if you don't have a Zilingo account, just scroll down this video, scroll down. Now I will be dropping the link. I'll be dropping the link to the video of how to open the Zilingo account. So it's very simple. Scroll down, you will see the link below. So after you download the Zilingo account, all you have to do is, when you open it, it's going to show you like this. It's like this. When you open it, it's just like this. In order to start grabbing, because if you want to earn money, you have to start grab. So I can't do it now because there's no money inside, so I have to deposit first. In order to deposit, as you can see, there's no money inside. In order to deposit, I have to go to this place called deposit. First you have to go to mine, as you can see, mine. When you press mine, it will take you to this place, deposit, this yellow box, deposit. So tap on the deposit, it will take you here. It's in the first one, which is the USDT. So press next, it will take you to this place here. To start grabbing, the minimum you can deposit is 100 USDT. So just press 100 here, then you need to put 100 USDT here. I'm going to teach you how to put the 100 USDT here. So after pressing this 100, which it will be there, you can put any amount, but you need minimum to start grabbing. You need 100 US. You can put 200, you can put 300, you can put 400. It depends on you, on how much you want. So the more you put more money, the more you earn more. So it's like that. All you need to do is, you will leave here, minimize it, leave, open your Binance. You will be needing a Binance account. It's very simple. You just have to have a Binance account. So most people know what is Binance. That's where you can transfer money to your Zilingo. That's how to deposit. So when you open your Binance account, it's like this. For me, I already have a Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account, go to your application, your Play Store, or whatever you're using, Apple Store, download Binance, create an account. So it's like that. If you don't have Binance account and you don't want to create, it's very simple. Just DM me. I will drop my number, WhatsApp link there. So just DM me and I will help you. Just DM me and I will help you with that. I will teach you step by step on how to open a Binance account. Or if you don't want to go through the stress, so I can help you do the deposit, so you don't have to trouble yourself. I will help you with everything. But now let me teach you if you have a Binance account. So first of all, open the Binance account. As you can see here, as you can see in the Zilingo, what you need is USDT. You see, you can only top up with USDT. You can only put USDT here. You cannot put like the interior or Bitcoin or BBN. No, it's just USDT. So if you have interior, or you have in your Binance account, if you have money in your interior or your Bitcoin, you have to convert it to USDT. So as you can see, I've already converted mine, because before I was having money in my interior, so I have to convert it to USDT, because that is the only way, that is the only thing you can transfer to Zilingo. So I've already converted mine. As you can see here, I have 102 euro. So I want to send 100 euro to my Zilingo. So what I have to do is type on the USDT, then I press withdraw. Yes, withdraw now. This is where I will be needing that. This is where I will be needing this deposit address. As you can see, deposit address. So this copy, I just have to type the copy, then confirm. Then I go back to my Binance. Then this address, I just have to paste it here. So you can see I've already pasted it. So select the network. The second one, select the network. Selecting the network, I have to go down to this last one, this Tron TROC20. So I have to go down to this Tron CRO20, type it, then confirm. The last one, confirm. Then the amount you want to send or you want to deposit into your Zilingo. So for me, I will be depositing $100 or 100 euro. So as you can see, you can't put 100 here, so you have to put something like 101. If not, if you put 100, I think the commission is 1 or 80 cents. So you have to put 101. So you can see 101, the commission is 80 cents. So press withdraw. You have to check very well if it's correct. So it's correct, then confirm. Yes, they are going to do the verification and stuff like that. So they are going to send me some code which I will put here. They will send me some code in my phone number, so I'm going to put it here, and here is the authentic stuff that I'm going to copy and put. It's very simple. So I'm coming, let me do this. As you can see, I've put the code and the authentic verification. After everything, then Binance will send you an email, something like this. All you have to do is copy it, then take a screenshot of it. So after taking a screenshot, go to Zilingo account. Go to Zilingo account. Go to the deposit. Next, and put 100, because depend on the amount you withdraw. If you withdraw 200, you have to put 300. If you withdraw 300, you have to leave it here. If you deposit 400, you have to put it here, not withdraw, deposit. So if you deposit 100, it should be here. If you deposit 50, it should be here. So I deposit 100, I have to put it here, and here you have to put the TSID, which we just copy, paste it here. Then here the photo. Let's go to the gallery. You see these screenshots, you just take. Then after doing that, confirm. Then wait for some minutes, just 1 or 2 minutes. The money will arrive. Just refresh the app. As you can see, I've refreshed mine. So let's see if the money arrive. Press this balance available. Then you see the money have arrived. You see I deposited 100 euro, and yeah, as you can see, I have 109. So I was giving 9 euro as bonus. So that is how to do it. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple. So now I can start grabbing. As you can see, I can start grabbing. You see? Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks for taking your time to watch this video. So follow everything step by step. If you're having any problem, I will be dropping a link where you can contact us, or maybe you want to join our WhatsApp group, yeah, where we solve your problem and teach you how to, if you have any problem, like step by step, we teach you how to fix it. So we also have a WhatsApp group. If you are interested in joining, I will put the link down this video. Please, if this video was helpful to you, please just subscribe to this channel. Please, that is all I want from you, just a subscription. I really appreciate. Love you guys. Bye.